It all started because I'm actually a semi-retired academic, and I got really fed up with the lack of true environmentalism. Because I couldn't do anything as an academic, we decided to just go ahead and do it as people. We wanted buildings that were truly sustainable, and one of the best ways to do that is to use natural materials. And everything designed here is focused on sustainability. A round building is more environmentally friendly because there are no dead corners. So in a normal square building, which is cheaper to build, the back corners of the room have dead air that is cold and is actually not very fresh. A round building circulates air. The wind comes up the hill and goes round the building. So environmentally, a round building is by far the best you could possibly build. The reason we built this is to show that you can do it in a reasonably environmentally friendly way, so that when you come here, the impact on everything is quite low. The energy usage in this is way less than you would use by staying at home. We did a lot of calculations, we're very extreme about that. I think Tasmania is in a really unique position in the world to actually be a really truly environmental, sustainable place for tourists to come. I hope that when visitors come here, they have a really true sense of calm, of being connected with the environment. A place where they can come and just recharge and revive themselves and just say, okay, the world isn't such a bad place, you know, it's a beautiful place to spend time.